Harnessing solar power, a step-by-step guide. 1. Solar panels absorb sunlight. Photovoltaic PV cells within solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into direct current (DC) electricity. 2. Inverter converts DC to AC. An inverter then converts the DC electricity into alternating current (AC), which is suitable for powering household appliances. 3. Connection to electrical grid. The AC electricity produced by the solar panels is either used immediately or fed into the electrical grid. 4. Net metering. Through net metering, excess electricity generated during sunny days can be credited back to the grid, offsetting energy costs. 5. Continuous monitoring. Regular maintenance and monitoring ensure optimal performance and longevity of solar power systems. 6. Enjoy renewable energy. Embrace the benefits of clean, renewable energy while reducing your carbon footprint. Independently, you may encounter challenges, but consistent practice and learning will facilitate mastery of solar power harvesting techniques. Remember, each step contributes to a sustainable future powered by the sun.
Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will.
Title: A Comprehensive Guide to Solar Panel Installation and Materials. Introduction. Solar energy has emerged as a promising renewable energy source, offering sustainable solutions to our growing energy needs. In this guide, we will explore the step-by-step process of solar panel installation, along with the materials and technologies involved. Step 1. Planning and site assessment. Before installing solar panels, it's crucial to conduct a thorough site assessment to determine the optimal location and orientation. Factors such as sunlight exposure, shading, roof pitch, and local regulations should be taken into account. Step 2. Material selection. Solar panels come in various types, including monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film. Monocrystalline panels offer higher efficiency and durability, but come at a higher cost. Polycrystalline panels are more affordable but slightly less efficient. Thin film panels are lightweight and flexible, but have lower efficiency. Step 3. Panel design and configuration. Decide whether to use bifacial or single-faced solar panels. Bifacial panels can capture sunlight from both sides, increasing overall efficiency. Single-faced panels are more common and cost-effective, but may be less efficient in certain conditions. Step 4. Mounting and installation. Once the panels are selected, they need to be securely mounted on the roof or ground-mounted. Racking systems are used to support the panels and ensure proper orientation for maximum sunlight exposure. Step 5. Electrical wiring and connection. After mounting the panels, the next step is to connect them in series or parallel configurations to generate the desired voltage and current. Inverter systems are used to convert DC electricity generated by the panels into AC electricity, compatible with the grid or household appliances. Step 6. Monitoring and maintenance. Regular monitoring and maintenance are essential to ensure the optimal performance and longevity of the solar panel system. This includes cleaning the panels, checking for any damage or debris, and monitoring energy production levels. Materials used in solar panel assembly. 1. Silicon. Most solar panels are made using crystalline silicon cells, which are highly efficient and durable. Silicon wafers are processed and assembled into solar cells, which are then encapsulated within a protective layer to form a solar panel. 2. Perovskite. Perovskite solar cells have gained attention for their high efficiency and low-cost manufacturing process. These cells are made using perovskite materials, which can be solution processed onto flexible substrates, offering the potential for lightweight and cost-effective solar panels. 3. Solar panel shapes. Solar panels come in various shapes and sizes, including traditional rectangular panels, as well as flexible and customizable designs. Bifacial panels have transparent back sheets to capture sunlight from both sides, while thin film panels can be integrated into building materials for architectural applications. Conclusion. Solar panel installation offers a sustainable solution for meeting energy demands while reducing reliance on fossil fuels. By carefully carefully selecting materials, designing efficient systems, and ensuring proper installation and maintenance, we can harness the power of the sun to create a cleaner and greener future. Should any questions arise, we encourage you to reach out via our comments section. Moreover, if this content resonates with you and you know someone who would benefit from it, please share this video with them. Title: Unlocking the Power of Solar Energy. A sustainable solution for a greener future. Solar energy holds immense potential as a renewable and sustainable energy source, offering a clean and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional fossil fuels. By harnessing the power of the sun, we can reduce our carbon footprint, combat climate change, and create a more sustainable future for generations to come. In today's world, where climate change is a pressing issue, the importance of solar energy cannot be overstated. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity using photovoltaic cells, which generate clean and renewable energy without producing harmful greenhouse gas emissions. This clean energy can be used to power homes, businesses, and even entire communities, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and helping to mitigate the impacts of climate change. Installing solar panels not only benefits the environment, but also offers financial savings and energy independence. By generating your own electricity from the sun, you can lower your utility bills and protect yourself against rising energy costs. Additionally, solar energy systems require minimal maintenance and have a long lifespan, providing reliable and sustainable power for years to come. Furthermore, solar energy creates jobs and stimulates economic growth, driving innovation and investment in renewable energy technologies. As the demand for solar energy continues to grow, so too does the need for skilled workers in the solar industry, creating new opportunities for employment and economic development. In conclusion, solar energy offers a path towards a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future. By investing in solar power, we can reduce our environmental impact, save money, and create a brighter tomorrow for ourselves and future generations. Remember to like, share, and comment on this video to increase its importance, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content on renewable energy solutions. Your feedback and engagement help us improve our videos and better serve our viewers. Thank you for watching.